everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is just going to be a little short video on how to turn off your steering responsive headlights on your Subaru WRX specifically. And pretty self-explanatory what steering responsive headlights are, but as you see here, you can see that I have mine on. You can see that they're moving with my wheel. I mean, it's hard to see on camera, but they're moving with the steering wheel. But yeah, let's get to how to turn them off. All right, guys, so this is something I actually didn't know how to do for the longest time, and then I stumbled upon it going through my settings. So first of all, we'll start off why people want to turn your steering responsive headlights off. Because if they do break, I've heard, if something does go wrong with them, they are expensive to fix. And I've heard like in the thousands to fix these steering responsive headlights. So a lot of people will turn them off to save that money, but they are very useful as well. But this is how you're going to turn them off. You're basically going to go, you can see on your Subaru WRX, you can see down here you have your two buttons up and down, then you have the information set. So you're going to see on the screen, you're going to hit the up arrow or the down arrow until you get to there, that pull and hold I/set, switch for menu, and then you're going to hold this button right here. And you can see on your screen, it's just changed. So we're going to go down to, keep going down until you find, so that's blind spot detection. And there's steering responsive headlights, SRH. So you're going to enter, you hit the I/set to enter, and you can see I have them on there. And then if I click it, if I go down, then you can turn them off, or you can just go back. But to set that, you just hit that button again, and they're setting complete. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like. Also subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys in the next video.